This room is hot. This room is cold. But this room is just right. It's fun experimenting with temperature, isn't it? If you think so, then you could be an HVAC technician. HVAC stands for heat, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC technicians design, installs, tests, controls, maintains, and repairs HVAC systems that keep people cool on hot days, warm during cold days, and breathing air that's filtered and clean. HVAC technicians can earn a degree from a trade school, which normally takes about 2 years or so. Upon completion, future HVAC technicians can apply for an apprenticeship to learn more about how to be a better HVAC technician by following and learning from an experienced one. But wait, you know you don't have to wait to be a grown-up to be an HVAC technician, right? Do you have any ideas how you can use your love of temperature to make money? Maybe you can ask your parents or guardians for permission on how to create something that will help people stay cool or to keep warm. The best HVAC technicians always stay safe. Until then, have fun exploring temperature.